I'm Brienne with Plum Fabulous Foods. We're an organic farm here in Plum, Texas, and today I wanted to talk about harvesting melons. We're going to look at watermelons and cantaloupes and when to know if they're ready to harvest. So you can see my out of control watermelon patch here, and I just wanted to show you there's two signs that we look for on watermelon to know when they're ready to harvest. So if you'll come over here, you'll see where this watermelon is attached to this vine. And you'll see that the tendril, now this is a leaf, so ignore him, and this is a leaf, so ignore him. What we're looking for is this tendril right here. You can see the little curly cues, okay? These tendrils are what the plant uses to grab onto things and to trellis and to grow and vine everywhere. If the trellis opposite where the watermelon is attached is dried up, then that's a good sign that this watermelon is ready to harvest. Okay, and he's got to be dried up all the way down. Now this one actually has just a little bit left to go to dry up. Okay, another thing you want to look at is to have a nice light spot where the watermelon has been sitting on the ground. And you can see this one doesn't really have one. You can see this watermelon here, he's attached to the vine. His stem is all the way dried up. His tendril across from the stem is all the way dried up. He's got a nice yellow spot there, okay? And then you can also do the thump test. You can see the difference in the sound. I have a really hard time with the thump test because it's so subjective. So here we go, we have a watermelon here, and you can see where he's attached to the vine. And you can see that this tendril across from where he's attached is not dried up. He's just starting to dry up here. But he's got a ways to go. So we know that this watermelon is not ready to harvest yet. The next thing I wanted to show you is how to know if your cantaloupes are ready to harvest. Cantaloupes are much easier than watermelon. A lot of times people will just look at the color and they'll say, oh, it's turning yellow, it must be time to pull it off the vine. And that's actually not the best indicator. The best indicator to know if your cantaloupe is ready to harvest is if it slips off the vine. So I'm going to pick this guy up right here, and I'm going to just pull on him just ever so slightly. If it doesn't slip right off, if it doesn't break right off the vine right there, then he is not ready to harvest. If they slip right off, then that's an easy indicator that it's ready to be harvested. That's one of the reasons we also like to trellis our cantaloupes whenever we can, because they'll fall off the vine themselves and they'll land softly on our nice mulch beds here, and I don't have to worry about them breaking open. And then I can just come out and pick up all the ones that are on the ground ready to be harvested. If you have any questions about how to harvest your melons, then post your comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and check out plumfabulousfoods.com.